Ciao, I'm Chiara from Prym e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this nice and warm scarf. The beautiful earth-toned colors used in this project are perfect for autumn. This is a super easy crochet project, so it's perfect for any beginners that are new to crocheting. For this project I use one hank of Zen from Mondial, and you can find more information in the description box. And a 7mm hook from Prym. Okay, first chain 24. So now we do one double crochet into the 6th chain from hook. Chain 1, then we skip the next chain, then we do one double crochet into the next one. Chain 1, then we skip the next chain, then we do one double crochet into the next one. And repeat this sequence until the end of this row. Chain 1, then we do one double crochet into the last chain. To begin row 2, chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then chain 1, then turn the work. And now we do one double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, then we do one double crochet into the double crochet of the previous row, chain 1, and repeat this until the end of this row. Chain 1, then we do one double crochet into the 3rd chain. All we have to do now is to repeat this last row. So let's repeat together one more time. So first chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, and chain 1. Turn the work, then we do one double crochet over the double crochet of the previous row. Chain 1, then we do one double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, and continue to repeat this until the end of this row. Chain 1, and of course we do one double crochet into the 3rd chain. All we have to do now is to repeat this last row for a total of 80 rows or until you will reach the desired length. Okay, now I've done a total of 80 rows and my scarf is about 150 centimeters or 60 inches long and 16 centimeters or 6 inches wide. So now we cut the yarn then with the tails using a tapestry needle. So now we are going to create the fringes. Now we cut the strand about 25 centimeters or 9 inches. We need to have 4 strips for each fringe. So now we have a set of 4 strands of yarn 25 centimeters long. Now we fold in half. Then we insert the strands into the scarf using a smaller hook. Pull the strands through just enough to get a loop that you can put your fingers through. Reaching through the loop, grab the yarn tails and pull them back through the loop. Now do the same wherever you want to add your fringes on the scarf. Of course, trim the excess yarn. And now our project is done and ready to wear. The autumn scarf is perfect for cooler fall air, and with the holidays on the way, they also make a thoughtful handmade gift to give to your friends and family. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your autumn scarf. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!